This isn't just a snow morning. This is a snow day. You wake up silence. No traffic, no noise. Just white skies and falling snow like the world hit pause. The storm is alive. Wind crashing. Snow stacking higher by the minute. Every flake feels powerfully unstoppable. Outside, chaos. Inside, warmth. Blankets, coffee, that unbeatable feeling of freedom. Nature shuts everything down. And for one epic moment, time slows, the world listens, and the snow takes over. This is winter at its loudest. Its boldest. Its most unforgettable. Stay with Exploring with Nikon and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Explore with Nikon. Keep exploring, explore with Nikon.